Want to streamline your OBS Studio workflow? Learn how to set up or change hotkeys to make your streaming and recording easier than ever. Launch OBS Studio on your computer. Go to the Controls section, typically located in the lower right corner of the interface. Click on the Settings button. In the Settings menu, click on the Hotkeys tab located on the left-hand side. Scroll through the list of available actions on the right, such as Start Streaming, Stop Recording, or Toggle Mute. Click inside the text box next to the action you want to assign a hotkey to. Press the desired key or key combination on your keyboard. For example, you can assign Shift+S for Start Streaming. To remove a hotkey, click the X next to the assigned key combination. To update it, simply click the text box and press a new key or key combination. Once you've made your selections, click Apply and then OK to save your changes. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.